Hello to all of my YouTube friends. This is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and as you can see, I still haven't finished cleaning up my craft room. Still in the process, but it's moving along. I have been kind of working on the rest of the room, so not really, haven't really been feeling like this room because it's a lot to handle. I'll walk in and look around and like, I'll work on another part of the house. So today I'm really going to tackle and try to get at least 1/3 of it done. I have stuff in the living room and in my daughter's room that I need to really clean out and get straightened out. But as I am cleaning out, I have found items that I would like to share with my subscribers. And here is one. I am going to do a drawing, and it will end in probably August. I'm going to do it for August the 7th. And so if you would like to participate in the drawing, only thing you have to do is like, subscribe, and comment to my channel right there. Hit that subscribe button and you will be entered in the drawing. It will be 2 winners this time because I do have 2 kits that I am giving away. And here's a preview of what I'm giving away. Okay, so I am giving away this kit right here. So 2 winners will receive that kit. You can be US or international, doesn't matter, to win. Okay, so I did want to show you this. I did make a desk pad for my computer. Here it is. I made this desk pad, and I'm trying to get, like I said, I'm trying to get it all fixed up. And this cost me about $4 because all of the items that I used was from the Dollar Tree. They were from the Dollar Tree, and didn't take much, $4 and the tax. That's it. And I did like how it turned out, although on camera you might not see the imperfections, but they are there. Like you can see that one right there, the air bubble right there. Don't look too hard though, so, but there it is. But don't look too hard. Okay, so well, as you can see, like, yeah, you see, I really need to clean up. Really needs to clean up. I do have my pathway there. It's coming along. It's moving along. My desk is the first thing I'm getting done. So it's getting there. If you would like, come over and help because I could sure use it. But I will see you next time. Remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you next time. Bye.